Nice to see you again. Okay, we're going to start with the letter E, capital E and lowercase e. Okay, and I'm going to draw the letter E for you. So here we go. I'm starting at the top, going down, coming back up here, a line in the middle, and a line at the bottom. And that's our uppercase E. Now we're going to the lowercase e. I'm going to go like this and swing it all the way up and down, and there we go. It looks easy, but if you practice, it'll be easy or simple. Okay, so practice at home your letter E, and we're going to make a letter E. Get your finger, we're going to make a letter E, an uppercase E. So we start at the top and go down. Then we cross it at the top, cross it in the middle, cross it in the bottom. Okay, we did the uppercase, now we're going to go lowercase. So you start at the middle and you go around like you're going to make a circle, but then you go down and around to the bottom. Okay, now we're going to our square. What do you see in this picture? Where do you find the square at? Or where do you see the square? I see the square right here at the chess game right here that two friends are playing. Then I see the square right here. There it is right there. And then where else do we see a square? Oh, here we go. Here's the picture is a square right there. Just like that. And then right here at the bottom we have the little squares for the carpet. Different colors here. And where else do we see a square? I think this can be a square right here. But you have to have a bottom part there to go like this, the little table. So there's where we see our squares. Anybody else see any more squares? Oh, right here. We have two pillows that are squares. We have a, what color is this? Like a gold color. And we have one with different colors here. So what else do we see, my friends? Let me see. Okay, what are the children playing here? Does anybody play chess? See, we have these right here. The little girl's playing with this on this side. And the little boy, he's thinking, where am I going to move my piece here? He's going to go this way and she's going to go that way. That's chess. I used to like to play checkers when I was younger, but yeah, this is a nice game. Okay, what else, my friend? Let me see. Then we have, well, let me do my square. Okay, it's a box. So I'm going to go down the bottom, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to go down, and there's my square. Now, we're going to make a triangle. We'll go down, another down, and we'll go across. There we go. So I've got another picture here. We are looking for triangles. Where do you see triangles at? We have the triangles here. And what is she wearing? She's wearing a costume. And what is a costume? It is a butterfly. So, and then we have here, what is this right here? Anybody see a triangle there? Oh yeah, look. One tooth here and one tooth there. Triangles. And then we got the cake. There's triangles on the cake. And they're orange. And then we have triangles right around here at the border of the cake. Then the napkins are triangles. And it looks like she's celebrating what? What do you think she's celebrating? Her birthday. Let's count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She is 5 years old. Okay, what else do you think she's going to do or she's doing? You think she's gonna blow out the candles? Because look, they're all lit up. All 5 of them are all lit up. And she's probably gonna blow the candles on the cake. And they're gonna sing to her happy birthday and she's gonna blow them out. Okay, let me see. Okay, that's it for the triangles. So we've got a square and we got a triangle. And we also have, for the color of the week, we have purple. As you see, I have a purple marker, purple E's, and purple shapes. So that's our color for the week. And I will pass it on to teacher Jennifer.
Hi boys and girls, we're going to go over our sight words that we had from last week, okay? We're going to go over them and repeat them and then make sure you guys write them at home. Practice writing them, okay? We have I can see a the and is. Practice writing these. Even write a sentence if you like. Practice writing your sentences. Teacher Jennifer's going to write I. There's our I. Let's see. I can jump. Now you guys practice writing a sentence, okay? And practice writing your guys' names. For school, you got to get ready for school, okay? Practice writing your first and last names.
Okay, boys and girls, we are doing the color purple. So we're going to do the purple song, okay? So you're going to sing along with us. We're going to go through it for you. Here we go. Ready?
If you're wearing purple, raise your hand, because we're going to read a book and sing the song about the color purple.
P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Purple grapes on the vine, purple Kool-Aid's fine. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. One more time. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Purple grapes on a vine, purple Kool-Aid's fine. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells.
Now just the kids.
Just you guys, here we go.
P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Purple grapes on the vine, purple Kool-Aid's fine. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells.
Hi everybody, I'm going to be reading you a book today, and the book is Fat Cat on a Mat. Fat cat sees a bee. Buzz! Fat cat flees up a tree. I don't like bees, yelps Fat Cat. I don't like bees and I don't like trees. I don't like bees or trees. Are you stuck? Shouts Big Pig. Bad luck, shouts Big Pig. Fat Cat groans. I am stuck. It is bad luck, she moans. The tree bends, and the nest drops off the end. The nest drops with a plop on top of Big Pig. Like my new hat, Fat Cat? Good catch, yelps Fat Cat. Fat Cat lands in a sandy patch. I must help the eggs to hatch. Next day, Fat Cat will not play. Play with me, says Big Pig. Not today, says Fat Cat on her mat. Bake a cake with me, says Jake Snake. Not today, says Fat Cat on her mat. Let's run in the sun for fun, says Ted. Not today, says Fat Cat on her mat. You are lazy, says Big Pig. You are crazy, says Jake Snake. You are no fun, says Ted. She hops off her mat. It's the eggs from the nest, says Big Pig. Clever Fat Cat. So what was the cat doing on the mat? She was keeping the eggs warm so that the baby chicks could hatch. So see, the chicks hatched out of the egg on this page. Right here. And in this picture, you can count them. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's this little ducky over here. So, she basically sat on the eggs to keep them warm so they can hatch. And now she's taking care of the chicks. And that's the end of the story. So now Teacher Ray's going to be showing you guys a little science experiment.
Hi everybody. Today we're going to do a science experiment. And what you're going to need is you're going to need a container, and I'm filling it with water. So this is the water filled. And then I have another container that I'm going to fill with a magic thing here, okay? And then you're going to need some food coloring. So I have, what color is this? Green. And I have yellow. And I have red. And I have blue. Okay? So, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the magic solution, which is cooking oil. And I'm going to move my water over here. And I'm going to put the cooking oil and I'll pour some into this empty container. And that should be good enough right there. And then I'm going to do the magic. Okay? So I'm going to start with green. So I'm going to drop some green drops into my container here, and you're going to watch it. As soon as I do it, boop, bloop, it makes and forms green little tiny particle balls in there. And then I'm going to do some yellow. Drop the yellow in there. Okay. And then I'm going to do my red. And then I'm going to do my blue. And as you see, they form these little crystal balls in the cooking oil. Okay. And so you can see them. They're at the bottom down there. You can see them down there. They form little crystal balls. And they're all in there. Now, here comes the magic part. I'm going to take a spoon. And I'm going to mix it. Okay, and you're going to see what happens when I mix everything together. So I'm stirring it up. And it is magically forming into tiny little particles. Okay, and it broke them all up, and that's good enough there. And now, as you can see, they were big ones, and now they're tiny little ones. Okay, so here's the cool part. Now I'm going to take my water here, and I'm going to pour this in to the water, and you're going to watch magic. Here we go. Ta-da! As you can see, it turned it into green. And you can see the little particles. You're going to see it in a minute. And they're going to start to come down and break into little pieces. And you can see there's the green. Here comes the red going down. And it's forming. There's more on this side. And they're all starting to go down and form. It's magic. Look at it go. It takes a little time, but it's starting to form. And as you can see, the whole entire jar is starting to form into one color. And they're all dropping down. There's some over here, there's some over there. Okay. And that is part of the science experiment. What happens is that when we put the cooking oil in, we toss it in there with the colors, and we mix it with the water, it breaks up the little particles and they start to dilute into one color. So now what color do we have here? Almost looks like it's green, a dark green. Okay? So when you empty it out, you're going to see it all green. And then actually when it was coming down, it kind of looked like we had rainbows coming down. Okay, all the colors. So that's our science project for this week. You can do this at home. But make sure when you do it, you have to do it with your mom or dad, because the hard part of it is doing the cooking oil. And they'll help you pour it into a container. And you guys can do the little drops. You can get your food coloring at a grocery store, at the dollar store. And you can add as many colors as you want. And then mom and dad can get a spoon and help you stir it around. And you can sit there and watch it magically form into our dark solution now. It's our dark green. All right? Okay, and that's our science project for this week. Next week I'll have another one, kind of cool for you too, okay? All right, we'll see you guys. Bye. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for this week. Tune in next week with us, and we'll have some other cool activities and stories for you. And we want to know what you guys would like to do. You want a certain song we can play, or a certain activity, or a certain science project. Let us know. Send it to us, and we can do that. And we hope to get a lot of different messages from you, different ideas that you would like to see happen. So that's it for this week. I'm Teacher Ray. We'll see you till next week. Bye.